60 seconds if I'm correct PGNs. Now they do and plenty of bonga things or rishi things happen this weekend for all the places where they play football for the whole world. But the big one where happen now Liverpool versus Manchester United for Anfield. Many Manchester United fans don't they come with me. So boy, like I said, they know they forgo has fellowship that evening. You know, some say like say we know forgot that child dedication ceremony where they do for our street. Like say we know say for stay for church do fifth service. But any eyes away, Man United they don't lose. They lose 3-1 against their rival Liverpool. No be small beating where Liverpool beat them for that particular game. But we don't want to look that game today. What thing we want to look this morning? Is it possible for this Liverpool team and any team for this particular time to go unbeaten for the whole season? The whole 38 games where you go play, you don't go lose anyone. The last two teams will do this thing for England. The first one, now Preston North End, William Skrewell, now be their coach for 1888-1889 season. And Arsene Wenger in Arsenal team for 2003-2004 season. Is it possible for this Liverpool team? Is it very possible for this Liverpool team to go unbeaten this season? They not go lose any game till season end. They go come win trophy. Now I want to ask this morning. You feel say it possible?